Lexie's back now to talk about totals. This is going to be a big one.
Yeah, it is. And blossoms is a nice way to put it. But
Instead of explodes
all
right.
Explodes. There are definitely some other words to talk about this storm. It's going to be a major one that is headed our way. Could be a historic nor'easter for us because we're not only going to get the heavy snow, but also some strong gusty winds and also some coastal concerns. Now, we did get that storm back last month. We got nearly 2 feet of snow. We could be looking at another top 10 snowstorm tomorrow night and into Monday. But this one is also going to bring potential blizzard conditions, and power outages and wind damage are also on the table with this storm because of the strong gusty winds. There is a blizzard warning issued for areas in this darker shade of orange for the North Shore down through Boston towards southeastern Mass, as well as Martha's Vineyard and Cape Cod and Rhode Island. That blizzard warning extends across the south coast of Connecticut down towards New York City, Philadelphia, even towards the coast of Delaware and Maryland. So it's not just us that's under this blizzard warning tomorrow and into through Monday. Winter storm warning is for areas in pink to the west of that, where we're still going to see significant snow and strong gusty winds. But this storm is going to be ramping up the coast tomorrow, intensifying rapidly as it gets closer to us overnight tomorrow night and into Monday, undergoing what we call bombogenesis, rapidly intensifying, bringing those heavy bands of snow and high snowfall rates as well as strong gusty winds. It's out of here though late Monday, and by Tuesday we're back in some sunshine. Here's a look at our snow map again. The jackpot area is likely going to be across southeastern Mass, but excluding Cape Cod, I do think we'll get some wetter snow and some more compacting there. So 10 to 16 inches there, 16 inches to 2 feet for Boston, the North Shore, down towards the South Shore and Rhode Island, even including parts of southern Worcester County in that 16 to 24 inch range, and then towards central Mass and north of that 10 to 16 inches there. The winds will also be howling. Strong winds are expected. There's also a high wind warning for Nantucket, where wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour are possible. Here's a look at expected winds. This map just shows you that it's not just the coast, but even away from the coast, we could see some wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. So combine the strong gusty wind with the heavy wet snow on power lines and branches. That's why we could see also some scattered power outages with this storm. If you are going to be driving, expect whiteout conditions at times, especially towards the coast. The worst times to travel is going to be tomorrow night and through Monday. By the evening, we'll start to see some improvement. The worst of it, where it's going to be very, very tricky travel with those whiteout conditions, likely 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Monday. So keep that in mind. If you do have to go out on the road, try and avoid, especially Monday morning and early afternoon. Out there tonight, watch for some slick spots. The radar has been picking up on a few light snow showers in southern Worcester County towards Sutton, out towards Uxbridge. Could see a few icy spots. Other than that, we'll be pretty quiet with lows dropping down into the teens and 20s tonight. We'll get into the mid 30s tomorrow, and then we'll be waiting for that snow. It starts first from along the border between Connecticut and Rhode Island around 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and then it'll continue to move north, getting into Boston around 10, 11 o'clock, and then really ramping up overnight into Monday morning, where we see those darker shades of blue. That shows snowfall rates up to 2 to even near 3 inches per hour. So it's going to be really coming down overnight Sunday night and into Monday morning, and then it's out of here by Tuesday. Also watching for some coastal flooding. There is a coastal flood warning in effect for the South Shore, as well as Cape Cod and Martha's Vineyard, starting at 1 a.m. until 7 a.m. On Monday. And then a little break with some sunshine Tuesday, before some more snow showers arrive on Wednesday, possibly late Thursday into Friday too.